Hi everyone, welcome back. In this AI thumbnail creator tutorial, I will show you how you can create one powerful thumbnail design for YouTube video just in one click. Using Thumbmagic AI, it's one new AI tool design. We'll log in on Thumbmagic AI, you'll find the link in the description. Now, we are inside on Thumbmagic AI, click on create thumbnail. Here, we paste the URL video about your topic. I choose this video, my topic about AI. We copy the link video and go back to the Thumbmagic AI. Paste the link here and click generate, or you can upload your video too. Click here and upload your video. Now we go and click generate thumbnail. Here, Thumbmagic AI, it's give me all the templates go viral on YouTube. I will use it for create my own thumbnail. But first, we should to create avatar. My name is Ali. We type it here and upload my photo profile. This is my photo profile and download it and click generate avatar. Here my avatar is generated. Now I choose this template about it's Ali Abdullah. Click generate thumbnail. Here Thumbmagic AI instantly give me two powerful thumbnail design for my YouTube video. AI change everything. Look at this. You can click on here and click edit. You can type anything you want and Thumbmagic AI will change it for you. And here you can change the emotion, add text, anything you want. It's a powerful AI tool in 2026. If you want to try Thumbmagic AI, you'll find the link in the description. And we go back and click on download the thumbnail. That's it in this tutorial, and see you next one.